Hi guys, how are you? I hope your vacations are going great, extended vacation. I'm sure you guys are very happy, but at the same time sad, I'm sure, because you're missing your school, you're missing your friends, you're missing your teachers, I assume. And I also know that you're doing video activities on different subjects and working out assignments and homeworks, and that's what we're gonna do in the English classes. I'm gonna be recording videos, and with each video, you're gonna have one task. So, for example, if you check out video one, you have to do task one. So video one will be in the video format, of course, and then task one will be in the PDF format. So it's easy for everybody to download and open and check. All right. So please remember, every time you see a video, there will be a PDF document with the video for the task. So if you do video one, if you watch video one, you have to open the PDF one, which will be task one. And then you're going to do it, send it through, I don't know, your system or through your school. Once I receive it, I'm going to check it and I'm going to send it back to you guys. All right. Our first topic is beauty. Now, this is a topic that is very, very sensitive. I think it's something which is very important in today's world, but at the same time, it's a very sensitive topic, because I believe that and I think everybody would agree with me that beauty is subjective. What is beautiful for me cannot be beautiful for you. Now, remember, every time we're going to do videos, I will be asking you a couple of questions in the video. Make sure that you answer these questions verbally, think in your mind, try to say that, and at the same time, answer those questions in the task one when you submit me the task one. Okay? So that is very important. So my first question to you is, what is beauty? And how important is beauty for you? Now, a lot of people would say, I don't know, I'd say, if you ask me, I would say beauty for me is something that makes me feel happy and positive for the moment. If I look at someone and if I see that someone is beautiful, that means I'm definitely feeling good about the person. I'm feeling good looking at the person or the thing or the situation. If you go to the countryside, you look at those beautiful grasslands, you say, wow, it's beautiful. It's because it makes you feel happy and positive for that period of time, and that's why it's beautiful to you. And that's beauty to me. If something that does not make me feel comfortable or feel happy inside, then that thing is not beautiful to me. And it could be a person, it could be a place, it could be a situation, it could be any other thing. So beauty is subjective. What is beautiful to me cannot be beautiful for you, and what could be beautiful for you may not be beautiful to me. So it's something very subjective, and it's a very sensitive topic. Now, in your task one, when you will open, there are a lot of questions. You must answer all of them. Of course, you can discuss it with a friend first. You can practice your speaking, talk to people in your house, get their point of view, because they're very simple questions, but it requires you to think. Okay, and after you've had this talk with people, or you just want to do it alone, your choice, make sure to write down the answers and then send it across to me so that I can correct it and check it and send it back to you. Then another thing that I want to talk about is, in today's world, as I said, beauty is subjective, but at the same time, the topic of beauty is very, very sensitive, because there are people who are, bullied because they are not beautiful according to some people. Now, this is my question. Do you feel insecure about how you look? I do, most of the times. And most of the time I also tell myself, oh, but that's okay. Like, it doesn't matter. It's my point of view. Like, it's who I am, and it's my choice. And then I feel better. But then, because we're human, we do have different feelings. And the same goes for you guys. Like, that's my the next question to you. Like, do you feel insecure? Do you feel sensitive about how you look, how tall you are, or how your body is, or how your face looks? Do you feel that? And if yes, if you feel that, then what do you do to make yourself get out of it? Because it's important that we get out of it, right? We don't keep feeling bad about ourselves, because that's not healthy for our emotional stability. So this is another thing, like what do you do to bring yourself out of the situation when you feel less than somebody else? What do you do in your life to make people better, make other people feel good about themselves? Like I generally try to compliment people most of the time as long as I could. Like, oh, your top looks good, oh, your shoes looks good, or your hair looks good, or today, oh wow, you look fabulous. Things like that, the small compliments. It kind of like gives people that positivity, that sense of belongingness, that sense of motivation that they probably feel good about when they listen to, and I think that's my next question. Like, give me examples of situations when you actually compliment people, when you actually make people feel good and appreciated, for who they are, for how they look, because it's very important that we have to uplift each other. Like, and also I would also like you, if you have free time, to check some YouTube videos about beauty. There are many of them, beauty standards across the world. That is very, very, very nice, and it's very eye-opening as you could be. Just type on Google beauty standards around the world for men. That's one video. Then you also type beauty standards around the world for women. It's a very nice video where they will show you different men and women and how people think beauty is different in different cultures and different countries. I'll give you another example. Let's say in Brazil, if you have a white skin, it's not considered very beautiful. It is beautiful, but it's not considered very beautiful. But if you have a brown and tan skin, people like that. People pay to get their white skin brown in Brazil, in South America, because tan skin is considered more beautiful. But in Asian countries, whiter skin is considered more beautiful. So it depends, like how you think, what you think about the standards. So watch that video as well, and make sure to open task number 1. It's in PDF form, and there are a couple of questions about beauty. First, talk to your friends, think about them, think of the answers, check on Google if you might need some answers. I mean, there is no question there that you actually need to Google, because they're all about yourself. It's about what you think, what you believe in. So it's not a very difficult activity. It's very easy, but it's also nice if you talk to people about it, because you will get different point of view, and then write the answers and send it back to me. Okay, I miss you all, and I hope to see you all again very soon. Good luck, and any questions, feel free to send me an email, all right? Bye.